been having guys ask if we're getting shirts, getting sweaters. We're looking to get American-made shirts. We get American flags on the side. We'll have them up here to order in just a little bit. Concrete the Right Way shirts. We got them on the back. So we're going that way. We're gonna be having joiners. We'll have them all up here on the website here shortly, but it's coming. It just takes a little while to get it all going. We got stickers. We're working a little bit on the font. We're gonna change some of it so you can read it a little bit better. But we got different sizes, small ones, big ones. We'll try to include all that stuff. We got business cards, Concrete the Right Way, frombuilt.com. Get it all in there. If you guys get shirts, get you stickers, get all kinds of cool stuff. If you have any ideas, let us know. Let us know in the comments. All right, give a shout out. This is done by Infinite Impressions. We've almost hit 200,000 views in less than a year. That's all you guys. Thank you, I appreciate it. Keep sharing, keep liking, keep commenting. The comments are great. A little slow, so we're gonna do a little tear out. Show you just the basics of what we do. Just taking out these two squares. We're gonna saw cut, pop them out with the compressor, and throw them in the dump truck. Pretty simple. All right, we're just waiting for mud. We got the dowels all drilled. There wasn't any dowels in it. So just drill them in 6 inches and pour it back. All right, I know it's hard to tell, but this is a Broom and Shine. It's pretty old. It's got to be 30-something years old. So, I'll show you how we do a little Broom and Shine. Our area. This is a shiner, 6-inch that I make. So it matches our edgers. So everything lines up real good. So we'll shine the edge and we'll shine the joints. A lot of places don't shine the joints. So just opening it up, still got to broom it. Before you broom it, you want to hit it a couple times with this. Make sure it's all good, so when it is hard, you can get your nice shine marks. Like I said, still got to hit it, re-edge it, and once it's ready, we'll get it broomed and we'll shine it. I edged it all again, open the joint again. I'll leave a definite line for this Broom and Shine. Just kind of getting it ready. It's still not ready to broom. And then I'll Fresno it. I kind of got a free minute waiting on concrete to get hard. I just wanted to touch base on the importance of construction workers, concrete finishers, probably more, just because I am one. Just the importance of your health and how doing construction and concrete, man, it breaks your body down pretty bad. You can have some bad days. You can have some real good days. It breaks you down. It's not like just going to the gym and working on muscles and all of a sudden you're way stronger. You know, people assume that you're just super strong and in shape from doing concrete. But when you just do something over and over and over, you don't get stronger. It breaks you down. It wears your knees out. It wears your back out and your elbow. So much stuff. I'm going on 51 years old. I'll be at this company for 30 years, but I kind of grew up in this. Did a little bit in elementary school with my dad in the summer, but I didn't really have to start until after high school. If you look at some of my first videos from 2019, I'm quite a bit bigger. You know, those habits catch up to you. You don't feel like eating right. You don't feel like exercising a little bit. Man, it really catches you. And I grew up doing basketball, and I've always been in shape. I ran for almost 10 years straight every day, but it's still been hurting me and stuff. And so far, the best thing that I've come across is, you know, you can't outwork a bad diet. And I finally found a really good diet that I do really good on. And that's the carnivore diet, or the dirty carnivore. You add a little bit here and there. And don't get me wrong, I still drink my whiskey, just switched my beer to Michelob Ultras, just trying to keep the weight down to feel better. And this carnivore diet, it's been amazing. I've been on it a little bit over a year. I'm down to my high school weight. I feel great. I feel the best probably I've ever felt in my life. I do work out a little bit. I do a little 15-minute workout in the morning. In between that, in that workout, I do 100 push-ups in the morning, and when I come home from work, I do 100 push-ups. I take the weekends off, so I'm doing 1,000 push-ups a week. I'm loving it. I feel the best I've ever felt. And a lot of it, 90% of it's got to be this diet. I just feel great. Yeah, I have my bad days. Some days things hurt. I'm not saying you go 100%, but you look at my video from 2019, I'm pretty big, and I'm feeling great now. Life's been doing good, and I appreciate everything that I have. Got a lot of guys, my back's never felt this good, and it's, cutting out the carbs. Got my carbs completely down, and that's a lot of it. And I think a lot of people are unaware of how much carbs you eat and how it's causing Alzheimer's, dementia, all besides diabetes, which is huge. So I've cut that stuff out. My wife's done it too, and she's lost a bunch of weight. Man, we're doing good, just feeling good. And definitely look into it. If some of you guys, the construction workers, are having a hard time bending over everything and your knees hurting every day. My knees feel great. A lot of people are always looking for another way, and I always thought the carnivore diet would be really hard to do, and we've actually saved a lot of money not buying all the bullshit. Saved a ton of money, and I get to eat tons of good meat and as much as I want. It's really changed things. And like I said, saving money ain't bad at all. Man, look into it. I'm telling you, there's a lot of good benefits from it. If you got any questions, reach out to me. I tried losing weight tons of ways, tons of other diets. Didn't work. Cut out a little bit. Got down to 210. Had that for 5-6 years and still couldn't lose weight. Once I did this, the weight just started coming off. A few pounds every week, and next thing I know, I'm down to 175. Feeling great. I'm 6'2", and that's, right where I should be. We'll be doing some cold stuff here in no time. Blanket covering. Like I said, we got air in our concrete, so it's a little bit more of a pain on some ends. Some ends it's not. We'll get some good stuff, some good setup stuff. All right, when you're doing a broom and shine, you want a little bit more of a difference between the broom and the shine. I always do the joint first, because in case you can't reach, you can always reach the edges, so do the joints first. You can see the difference in that shine. You want that nice line. We'll touch that little stuff up. I'll do the edges right now. When I run my edger, I put my finger out here to put a little pressure on there to leave that line. Makes it a little easier. That way you're not smashing that outside edge. You're just smashing getting that line in there. Just want that nice clean line. There's that 1.5 shine. Touch up that corner. We're good, basically like a picture frame.
And I'll just take either a margin trowel or a trowel. We'll tune that up a little bit and get our shine on it. I try not to leave lines across my intersections. I just like the look of that a lot better. It's hard when you got joints way out far, kind of having to leave them on one side or the other, so kind of just pick a side. But on the edges, I take them all out. Only concrete guys notice it. Nobody else notices all that little detail. There's broom and shine. Simple as that. A lot of patios we used to do just like this, but we'd alternate the brooms, so it looked checkerboard. It looks really good in the evening light. Please like, subscribe if you haven't. Give me a share, some comments. Remember, I'm not the best, but there's nobody better. Thanks for watching.